let's go to the corner shop. Look at our little hall. Home sweet home. Right, you typing now. I need to start studying. So I have an RS mock tomorrow. So I need to do some work. So we just finished feeding the cat. Hello, welcome to an evening writing a story 2 hours before the deadline. Has to be a minimum of 2,000 words. I'm using not Word to be more motivating. This is the character count. Let's go. A little update for you. We're on 2,844 characters and we are at 10:15. I also do just want to say that the plot of my story has been progressing well. Okay, 3,480 characters. Almost half past. Okay, we're at 4,246 characters. I'm going to put it in words so I know how many words we're at. And we're at 10:40, which is quite stressful, but the plot is progressing really well. Okay, here goes nothing. $2,046 words? No way, that's over the word limit, what the flip? Okay, so it turns out I pasted it twice, which is great. So it's just gone over the word limit, so this is working out actually fabulous. Okay, I'm actually scared. I think I did it more than once. Okay, more than twice. Okay, here goes nothing again. Great, we're actually not at the word limit. And when I say word limit, I do in fact mean like word minimum. Yay. Okay, let's get grinding. Okay, so my parents just went to bed. It's 11 o'clock and I'm on 5,100 characters. Plot progressing well. I can see an end in sight. 11:02. I should be sleeping. I need to finish this off. I'm not even ready for bed. Pasting it again just to see how much you need to block it out. Oh my god, I'm so happy. We hit 1,000 words. Yes. I did cut out a bit. We're on 915. I'm so close to the end.